All right. Could you explain why you sought out care at Portland Chiropractic Neurology?
Yeah, sure. So initially I came to Portland Chiropractic Neurology because I just moved to Portland and I had been going to a chiropractor for 2 years to address an injury of some sort that had happened in my back. And so when I moved to Portland, I was going to just continue that sort of path of, I had resigned myself to living my life in pain, having chronic back pain, which I'm not sure what happened, and going to a chiropractor every 2 weeks. So I got here and did some Google searching and I was like, okay, chiropractic neurology. I'm gonna go there because I feel like I have had a lot of chiropractors and some have said that the brain and the body connection is really important. Like you have to train the brain to fix the back. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go there. So came here and I was like, all right, can you just adjust me? I'll just be here every 2 weeks. And they were like, we think we can do a little better than that. And did the assessment and told me about how they do it here, like a much more comprehensive approach to adjustment. So it's not just, get on the table and they do their thing. It's they surprised me actually, because I was always complaining about the pain being on this side, and they were like, really, the problem is on this side. And that really surprised me. I was like, and it made a ton of sense about how like my body is compensating and what part is working fluidly and what part isn't. So I was like, all right, I'll do the program, and hopped on the table. And that was what, in July sometime? I mean, after my first visit, I went back to my friend who was at my house and I said, oh my God, they just like air pumped air into my body. I have never had this much movement and this much flexibility in my body in 2 years. And it just hasn't stopped. Like I can move now. I have more flexibility. I can bend over. I don't even think about my body anymore. Today I was working on the ground with a little kid. I was on my knees. I was twisting. I was turning. Like this time last year, I would have been on a stool, braced, bending over like a robot, trying not to twist or turn. And I just thought that was it for me. I thought that was the end. And now I'm like, this is the beginning. So,
Wow, thank you so